for all hair types. Olaplex revolutionary technology is now infused in an at-home mask treatment for all hair types. Multi-benefit reparative mask. Olaplex No.8 is a multi-benefit, reparative mask that moisturizes, smooths, adds body shine. Product tip. For the deepest repair possible at home, use with No.0 intensive bond-building hair treatment plus No.3 Hair Perfector once a week or as needed. The original bond builder. The only patented system to noticeably repair extreme damage, turn dry, brittle hair into soft, shiny, and more resilient hair. Top reviews from the United States. Well worth it. I had a perm a couple of weeks ago and it dried out my hair. I slept with Olaplex No.8 in my damp hair and in the morning my hair was so soft and manageable. I am truly impressed with this product. Would definitely purchase again.